Good afternoon. It is June 4th, and I wanted to give you a quick update of what we've been able to accomplish since sending out the owner statements on Sunday that was not as we had planned. They went out. As you know, there were no work orders attached. There were no other reports that you're used to seeing. It's a glitch in Appfolio, and truly for us to correct it, we would have to go into every single solitary house. So we're working with Appfolio to get that corrected. We're still not at the point that it's attaching materials the way it's supposed to. So remember, if you see a work order that you think you've seen before, read on the inside and it will tell you more than likely that it's materials and not a duplicate. Because of the glitch that we had on Sunday, we resent the owner statements yesterday, and you should have received those with the work orders attached. You're still going to receive your delinquency as of on the 6th to make sure you know where your tenants are. Working out the bugs, it did not deliver a mid-month disbursement as we had anticipated, and I say yet because we are still again working with them to make that work. Again, the materials are not where they need to be yet, and on Sunday, to add to all the other pain, there was a glitch in the Federal Reserve. So many of you got a notice that we had sent your ACH but didn't receive it until probably Tuesday. If you still have not received your ACH payment, please let us know immediately. It looks like most of them have gone through, but we want to make sure that some haven't went somewhere that they weren't supposed to. And again, that one wasn't our mistake or our software. It was absolutely the Federal Reserve. So we sent out a mid-month package last month, and as you know, it didn't come with a disbursement. It was accurate up until the 15th. That doesn't mean that everything is in there, because sometimes you don't get charges until credit cards are reconciled, for example. This next month, it will have your owner's statement and your current work orders. It is absolutely not final. It may or may not show if your tenant has paid, which is why we're just continuing to do those tenant delinquency reports. It's really the purpose of that is just for planning. So if your tenant hasn't paid or you've had a big work order, that'll give you the opportunity to at least plan for that, and it's in real time. And again, mid-month disbursement is our goal. We're working towards that. The month-end packet should, this month, have owner statements and workflow. They're not going to have the cash flow or the income comparison reports. I hope to get it there. I just don't want to promise something that we can't deliver. Again, that comes on the 3rd of the month. It is dispersing the current last month's funds, those that you used to get on the 15th of the month. You're also going to receive an email if you receive ACH payments. It is an alert. That means we've pushed the button, and with ACHs and the Federal Reserve, that can take anywhere from 2 to 3 business days, depending on your bank. But that email alert that we're giving you is letting you know that we have sent them. It's just going to take a few days to get to your account. Please know we're doing everything we can to give you more information as quickly as we can. Don't hesitate to contact Investor Customer Service if there's something you think is really wrong. That's what they're there for. But again, be patient with us. We're prioritizing and doing the most critical things first. Collections is still working hard at keeping everyone current. Our courts are open, so we are filing evictions. I think many of the tenants didn't think it would come to that. So when we're sending them the official evictions, a lot of people are starting to pay. So we hope that we can continue that, and we're, again, getting as much information as we can out there to you. Finally, just again wanted to say thank you for all your patience and all your generosity that you've given us during this time. We really appreciate you, and again, let us know if there's anything else we can do.